Welcome guys to this new video. We are making hypo bleach, all right, and that is HCl 500 mils, and now we have soda ash 1 kg. Soda ash is 1 kg. Caustic soda is also 1 kg. Caustic soda 1 kg. Then we have the next ingredient is chlorine. Chlorine is also 1 kg. So these are the 4 ingredients that we're using to make hypo. Okay, my brand name is kicking all the germs and dirt away. This product is good for washing white materials and also for cleaning the floor and killing germs in toilets. So you start by soaking all the 3 ingredients. The 4th one, which is the liquid one, you don't add it now. So first of all, that is soda ash, 1 kilogram of soda ash. So you just pour it. The water we have there is 30 liters of water. So you are going to stir very well so that all the lumps can dissolve. So you stir it very well. Stir the soda ash very well before you add the next ingredient. This making of hypo bleach is very easy, very simple. Out of all the things that I've been producing, this one is the simplest, although it takes the longest time because we have to leave it for 7 days. Now you add the caustic soda 1 kilogram. So inside the bowl we have 30 liters of water, 1 kilogram of soda ash and 1 kilogram of caustic soda. You stir the two together. You stir it very well to make sure that the reagents are well dissolved. So after stirring it to the point that you can see that it has dissolved, you'll be adding the 3rd ingredient, which is chlorine. You add chlorine to it and make sure that you are touching every part of the bowl, because the tendency of each settling at the bottom is high, but when you stir, you circulate it. Now I add my chlorine, 1 kilogram of chlorine into the bowl. So the 3 powdered ingredients are in the bowl already: the soda ash, the caustic soda and chlorine. Then here is the work. You have to stir very well to make sure that every particle of chlorine, soda ash and caustic soda is well dissolved. The caustic soda is the first to dissolve completely, then the soda ash before chlorine. If you have stirred it very well, that's what it looks like. So I have to find something to cover like this. After 7 days, look at what we have. But I was opening it to stir every other day before the 7th day, and I have something like this. So this is my HCl, hydrochloric acid. I'm going to filter the bleach before turning it into the bleach, and I didn't capture that stage, but I've already bottled the bleach. So what you do there is you filter it, and then in a bowl you add your HCl. I will advise that you add it in a place where you have enough air because it's choky. Package it and you are good to go. Look at the effect of the bleach on my towel. Thank you.